Hi everyone, this time I will show you step by step on how to install the thread in the mini portable sewing machine, because many questions is coming to us related with this topic. Many people are facing issues when dealing with installing thread in the sewing machine. So in this video, I will try to make it detailed and simple in order for you to understand how to operate the sewing machine. Okay, let's start. As you're aware, there are two threads. First one is the top thread and the second one is the bottom thread. So for the top thread, you have to make sure that you are installing the thread correctly with checking how the thread spins. The thread has to spin in anti-clockwise. You can see it. So make sure that you are installing the thread correctly. Okay, and step 2, you have to insert the thread in this hole. Okay, install it. Okay, and the third step, you have to insert the thread in these things. You have to click it. Make sure that you click the thread, because if you don't click it, the sewing result will be very bad, will be not good. Okay, next one, you have to install in this hole. You have to insert in this hole. Okay, insert. Done. Okay, there are step number 4 now. And the next one, you have to install the thread here in this hole. Okay, after that you install this here. Okay, insert the thread in the hole. Okay, done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, install it here. Okay, done. And the last one is inserting the thread in the needle. Okay, you have to insert the thread in the needle. Okay, done. Now we are finished installing the top thread. That's 1 2 3. Make sure it's clicking. Okay, let's review again the step. Make sure this one is clicking, and then you have to insert the thread there, insert there, insert there, insert there, and last one is put the needle. And then now we have to install the bottom thread. See, this bottom thread also spin in the anti-clockwise. Ensure that you install it correctly. Okay, you have to make sure that you don't install it in the clockwise. You have to install it, so this is a clockwise, this is wrong. You have to install it in the anti-clockwise like this. Okay, install in the anti-clockwise. Okay, and now put it put the button. Okay, you can see it's installed in the anti-clockwise. And then now we'll show you how to put the thread, to take the thread from the bottom thread. Close and insert a bottom thread. Okay. Now we have to pull out the bottom thread. Watch it carefully. Now it's yeah, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out now, and then now you make sure that your bottom thread is go out. Okay, now you are finishing installing the bottom thread. It's done now. Okay, this is done. The bottom thread. Okay, now the machine is ready to use for sewing. Let's try sewing with this machine. Let's take the fabric. So this is our fabric for trying this sewing machine. Okay, now we have to start. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You have to restart sewing. Okay. Make sure you lock it. Now sewing. Okay. That's easy, huh? It's easy. Okay, cut the thread. And now let's check the result. So you can see that the result is good, yeah. All the sewing is good. The thread is also no issue on that. The result is very good now. Okay, that's the result. Okay. Now we are finishing checking the result of the sewing. So hoping you are enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.